Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. Today I am going to share with you how to use DU Recorder. On my mobile screen you can see DU Recorder icon. I'll just click on it. Now it is open, just swipe 2 times. Now minimize this and open the document which you want to record. Suppose I am opening here one of my PPT. As you can see now my PPT is open. I'll click on play button of PPT. I'll start from first page. Now my first page is open. From here I want to start recording. Now I will click on the shortcut of DU Recorder play button. It will ask you to start now. Click on start now and OK. Start now again. It will show you countdown. Now recording has started. Just read whatever you want to read from your PPT and swipe this one by one and complete your recording. Once your recording is completed, again click on the shortcut and click on stop button. You will see here that your recording is ready. I'll just click on play button to show you how it gets played, like this. So we are done here. I hope I am able to make you understand how to use DU Recorder. Thank you.